Step into the 2013 Chevrolet Sonic. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.